Namaskar. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Myself Sharmila Bhattacharya on behalf of Sharmila Texart. Now you all know about this boutique, and this boutique specially works on pure materials like pure silk, pure tussar, pure crepe, whatever we display, and pure cotton at the same time. These are the fabrics that we work on. We have got our own workshop, you all know, and I believe that this 9-year makes a woman very much feminine. So I love to work on these, and thank you very much for subscribing my channel, for liking my shows and responding at the same time. Today I am going to display you only hand embroidery that is called Ari work. This is a very favorite embroidery of mine. That's why you will find that so many sarees I'll display today on Ari work. This is Ari embroidery, sometimes on hand painting made by us at our workshop, or block prints that we have made at our workshop, and we have made highlighted, you can say, with Ari work the sarees. I go to my first saree today. This is a Jari border tussar saree. This is the work. I show you. The saree is on golden yellow and tussar virgin color, and these birds are made in black. This is the saree. This is how it goes, the saree, and the palla of the saree is this. And you will find that every bird's outline has been highlighted with hand embroidery Ari work. The price of the saree is 7,500. And certainly it has got its blouse piece, and the blouse piece is golden in color. This is the blouse piece of the saree. So here goes my saree number 1. Now I go to saree number 2. The saree number 2 is a Katan silk. You know, West Bengal is famous for its two silks. One is Murshidabad silk and another is Bishnupuri Katan silk. So this is from Bishnupur Katan silk. And this is hand painted first by us. After the hand painting is being done, the body of the color saree is grey. Okay. Now you find purple, red, royal blue. These are other colors that have gone with this. This grey color saree has got Ari work too. You see, these are the Ari work done. You can see here, this is hand embroidery done. On every petals of the flowers, the Ari work has been done. This is the work, and that makes the saree a party wear. 6,200 only is the price. Very good quality silk. After that you get, this is the palla of the saree. You can see the palla with Ari work. So 6,200, and it has blouse piece also. Let me show you the blouse piece. The blouse piece is red in color. First you see batik crack has been done. After that you get the hand painting and then the Ari work. So number 2. Number 3 is again 7,500 saree. This is a Jari border tussar saree, hand block printed first by us. These are the maple leaves. Maple leaves. This is the palla of the saree. You can see the palla. Now every maple leaf has been outlined by Ari work, and one mirror has been set just at the middle. That makes the saree look like this. This is the saree, very beautiful, and its blouse piece is red in color, black in color, black in color. So this is the saree, 7,500, today's third saree. Now again I go to Katan silk, crack work, first batik crack, then hand painting. On that every flower and leaves has been outlined by Ari work. This is the palla of the saree. First I show you the palla. You can see with white thread the Ari work has been done. I think this show makes it clear to you how much I love Ari work. There are other embroideries of West Bengal too, but Ari is my favorite. This is the work that you see at the border of the saree, and this is the saree. The base of the saree is white. 6,200 only is the price, with so much work. Batik crack, hand painting, then Katan silk, a very good quality, and Dari work. Now I go to number 4. This is again a Jari border tussar sari. 6,800 is the price of the sari. It is block printed in my own workshop, own factory. You all know Sharmila Texart has its own workshop. So this is the sari, very nice bottle green with blue and tussar virgin color border. Every work borders, block has been highlighted by Ari work like this. It makes the sari only a party wear, a designer sari. So this is the sari. 6,800 only is the price. Now, I think you are watching the sari that I am wearing today. The same sari I will be showing you in black, only the design, floral design might be different. This is 9,450 because this is kalamkari hand painted, and here goes the palla of the sari, and this is how you would look when you drape the sari. The whole sari is like this. This is black with multicolor like golden, bottle green, red, blue, purple. These are the color used. Whole sari is hand painted. You can see till the end the sari is hand painted, and here lies the cost of the sari. This is the blouse piece, and the blouse piece border is this. So 9,450 is the price. Kalamkari hand painted tussar sari highlighted with Ari, that makes it a designer piece. Now I go to same kind of sari. I am giving you color option. First I show you the blouse piece as it has come first. It is magenta in color. The sari is grey. The base of the sari is grey. Grey with golden firoza border. Whole sari is hand painted and highlighted by Ari work that you can see, makes it a function sari. You wear it at any function day. These days people don't like sometimes wearing very heavy Banarasis, they are not comfortable ones. So we think about them. Please subscribe my channel so that you get next notifications. Every Sunday you get this video of mine. This is another block print. Very ethnic, very conventional, yet smart. This is temple work and Paisley block print at the body of the sari. This is the palla. This is the palla of the sari, and this is how comfortable these saris are. See how body hugging. This is how you would look, and these Paisleys are all, these temples, Paisleys, they are all highlighted by Ari. You can see the mirror at the middle and borders. This sari's price is 6,800 with blouse piece only. Purple is the blouse piece of my last sari. This is again a sari, geometric in print. 6,800 is the price of the sari. This is geometric. We are always making designer saris. These are designer tussar saris made in my own workshop. I have got my designer. I myself am a designer. So we work hard to make these saris beautiful for you. Single piece in India, most of the saris are. I proudly say. This is the border. Everything is highlighted here. All these temples outlined by Ari work, black. Here you find red. Everything. So whole sari is hand embroidered and hand block printed. Then red is the, let me show you, the red is the blouse piece of the sari. Now 6,450 is the price of my next tussar. This is without jari. Those who don't like jari work would prefer this. See, you can see the border. First I will show you these temples, maroon to orange. The color is moving, These are maroon to orange. This is the palla with mirror work highlighted, and every temple at the border is highlighted by Ari. Very smart sari, very corporate. Wear this to your office in the morning if you have any meeting, any function in the evening. And these triangles are the buttas. I told you the price. And this is, and prices will go on screen, don't worry. And this is the blouse piece of the sari. At the hand of the blouse piece, you will get this work. Go to my next sari. My phone numbers are going on the screen, so you won't have to worry. You can call me at my phone pay number also. Phone pay number is 9830856724, and this sari is again a unique piece. 9,500 is the price of the sari. First I tell you, this tussar, Raghunathpur tussar, is hand woven with these designs. Now I have block printed it, hand embroidered with Ari. This is how the sari goes. This is the sari. This is how the sari goes. Panel work. And these are thread work. This is thread work. This is block print with Ari. This is block print. Then again mirror work in the middle. But the most interesting part of the sari is, this is not the palla. Let me show you. This is the blouse piece. This is woven like Odisha saris. The blouse piece. After the blouse piece, this is the palla of the sari. Okay, this part is the palla, and this is the body. Whole body of the sari is paneled like this. Very nice sari, very ethnic. Another silk sari, Murshidabad 3-ply silk with hand Ari embroidery. Very nice black sari. This price of the sari is 6,500 only. See, hand embroidered, very comfortable. Slick border, orange and red, sorry, orange and white. This is the palla, and these are the small round buttas with hand embroidery. This is a black sari, very bright. The black lovers will go for it, I know. 6,500. Now I go to a Katan silk sari. Again I told you Katan is a production of the place Bishnupur. Bishnupuri Katan 4-ply sari with this Ari work, Paisley. This is the palla. This is the palla of the sari. In the Paisley you will find cut work. I'll show my hand at the back so that you understand where the cut work has been done. Every Paisley has got this cut work. So here lies the palla. Price of the sari is 8,900. It is worth it because of the work. You see the work. Full sari is embroidered with cut work, Ari embroidery. Very intricate work, very intricate Paisley. Single piece in India. So this is how the whole sari is embroidered. This portion you will tuck in. Otherwise you see till the end you get the Paisleys. All are with blouse pieces. 7,800 is the price of my next sari. This is a Bangalore silk on which we have made the Ari. See, this is the palla of the sari with intricate Ari work. Ari work is always intricate, very much intricate. Nice finishing. Now, this portion is your yoke. This will your yoke portion. Okay. Now, at the plate also you will get the work. See, these are the work on the plate of the sari. So, I think the price is very reasonable for this. So much work, pure Bangalore silk, and the price is 7,800. It has got its blouse piece too. I show you. This is the blouse piece of the sari with this work which will come at the hand of your blouse. Next is a Katan sari again, Katan silk. This is hand painted and first hand batik. 6,800 is the price. After the batik we have done hand painting. After the hand painting you get the Ari work. This is the palla. This is the palla of the sari. And this is how you would look when you drape it. Very bright. Those who like bright saris. And see the Ari work. see the ari work. This portion is, the ari work is heavy. That's why this is 6,800. 600 rupees more than the previous two. And the blouse piece is certainly there. Blouse piece is there in crack with border. Now another ari work in English powder blue color. And the price of the sari is 7,900. See, here it goes. Our artisans are being supported by you. You purchase the sari, we give payments to them. This is how the sari goes. They are running their families. They are gifted with this art, but certainly they are poor people. So we, all the boutiques, bring their work before you. This is the sari, and let me show you the blouse piece. I told you the price is 7,900. The blouse piece, this work will come at the hand of your blouse. This is a motif. See the motif that you get at the border of the sari. How intricately done. You know, all these saris take 5 to 6 months to finish. Next I go to a Chanderi sari. Maheshwari pure Chanderi with this Gicha silk border. This sari's uniqueness is in the palla. Palla is pure Gicha work, and the blouse piece. Again, this portion. This is the work at the blouse hand. Now, the Gicha that you get has been, made symmetric with this Jari border. So this is the sari. Now we have made in Ari work, Ari Jardosi work, the buttas. Very nice ice cream pink color or baby pink color. So these are the buttas. Please see, follow the buttas. Jardosi work, Ari. So I have shown you the blouse piece, the palla and the whole sari. It's a pretty sari. Now I go to another sari, very earthen in color. আমার বাঙালি বন্ধুরা সকলেই আমার ভাষা বুঝতে পারছেন, কিন্তু আমাকে একটু ইংলিশ বলতে হয়। আমাকে অনেক বন্ধুরা বিশেষ করে সাউথ ইন্ডিয়া থেকে অনেক জায়গা থেকেই কমপ্লেইন করেন যে তোমার ভাষা বুঝতে পারি না, তো সেই জন্য একটু আমাকে ইংলিশে বলতে হয়। আপনারা সবাই বুঝছেন, সবাই ফলো করছেন, তার জন্য অনেক ধন্যবাদ। কিছু মনে করবেন না ইংলিশ বলার জন্য। এটা হচ্ছে আমার শাড়িটার আঁচল। দিস ইজ দ্য পাল্লা অফ দ্য শাড়ি। দিস ইজ अगेन জারদোসি। I love Jardosi work myself, and this is the border. You see, these materials are so costly. They will last for 20 years. They won't be, faded or anything. These are the buttas. See the unique body color of the sari. The whole sari is like this. This is how you would look when you drape it. This is again a party wear sari, and the price of the sari is 10,500. Another sari, last sari of today's Ari episode is 10,500 again. Last two saris 10,500. See the work. They would have costed more even. This is the palla, Jari border tussar silk. First we have made the block print, Now whole sari has been highlighted by Ari like this. You just see. You can see the sari, how much time it took, 5 artisans finished it and they all worked at least 18 hours a day to finish it off. This is the sari. The whole sari has been done like this. So 10,500 is the price. Thank you very much for watching, for encouraging me, I have got a good team behind me, and as you all love me, you all support me, you purchase my saris, I support them. Please subscribe my channel, and you can talk to me at the numbers given. You can take a screenshot and WhatsApp me the sarees that you have liked, and we courier to your place, or COD is also available in Calcutta and around. Namaskar for today.